Welcome to another build video. This is part 6 of the motorcycle powered Fiat build. In this project we've put a 1000cc GSXR motorcycle engine into this 1973 Fiat 850 Spider. In the last video we mounted the engine. In this video we're going to be finishing up the custom subframe, installing the rear shocks, and finally getting the car off of the jack stands. The engine also sits at a slight angle right now, so we need to fix that. Okay, so we're really making progress now. The car is finally off the jack stands. We finished and painted the custom rear subframe. We installed new shocks and bump stops. We straightened out the engine so the chain can run nice and straight. We created a nice flat surface on the bottom of the subframe to jack up the car. And we notched out the frame so we can get this bolt in to mount the engine. And since the car is finally on the ground, we can actually see how it compares in size to the Honda, which is something I've really been looking forward to. The wheelbase seems similar, but the Fiat is definitely longer than the Honda. While pushing the two cars around in the shop, you can definitely tell that the Fiat is lighter than the Honda, so it's going to be interesting to see how much it actually weighs when it's done. I'm really pleased with the way this project is coming out. I hope you guys like it, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. Thanks guys, bye.